Numerous individuals encounter joint pain in their knees, elbows, and hands. Numerous individuals relate this to maturing. Along these lines, they trust it to be a typical pain and don't look for treatment for it. Be that as it may, when the body is in pain, it encounters pressure. Additionally, untreated knee pain can make harm the knees and cause moving of the knee. Knee pain can be caused by intemperate utilize, bone thickness, and wear and tear of the muscles and tissues. Vitamin inadequacy is likewise a known reason for knee pain, especially if the body needs calcium, vitamin D, and iron. Somebody who needs vitamin D and calcium is in danger for joint pain and aggravation of the joints. Numerous individuals likewise don't understand that this pain can be treated with a characteristic cure which will abandon them without pain in simply a question of a couple of days. The present video will talk about how to forestall joint and knee pain, and in addition how to calm it. In the event that somebody encounters knee pain for over 7 days, there might be a more significant issue than simply abuse and they should look for medicinal consideration. It is additionally imperative to eat an eating routine that is high in vitamins, bromelain, and magnesium. A smoothie produced using cinnamon, pineapple, and squeezed orange is one characteristic cure that is exceedingly successful in treating and mitigating knee and joint pain. This smoothie has calming properties, and additionally silicon, bromelain, vitamin C, and magnesium. Vitamin C is found in pineapple and is particularly vital to the body's bones. Pineapple additionally contains a high measure of bromelain, which is a calming. Cinnamon encourages the body's blood to flow all the more viably. Squeezed orange likewise contains vitamin C that can help make ligaments solid. To make the smoothie, you will require 2 little measures of diced pineapple, 1 measure of moved oats, some water, 1 glass of squeezed orange, 1 cinnamon stick, crude, characteristic nectar, bearings. Include water and oats into a pot and permit to cook for a couple of minutes. After the oats is cooked well, enable it to chill off. Place squeezed orange, oats, cinnamon, pineapple, and nectar into a blender. Combine all fixings and add water to make the smoothie more slender, if wanted. For best outcomes, it is prescribed to drink this smoothie regularly. Following 5 predictable days of devouring this drink, add up to alleviation from knee and joint pain ought to be experienced.